don't panic, guys. We in that time in the market where we experiencing some big dips, but we know Coq Inu is poised for $1 billion market cap. That's right, COQ right now is still building, even though we are experiencing a downtrend in the market. And what does that mean for meme coins on AVAX? Now, we know that the narrative right now is some of the other blockchains. We got Hyperliquid, we got Solana, we got Base, we got Ethereum, and AVAX is being seen as a sleeper in this bull cycle, but I think that gives us even more reason to buy COQ because we know a lot of more things are coming down the pipeline for AVAX, bringing more liquidity onto the blockchain, which I believe will lead to more people buying COQ, the #1 meme coin on the AVAX blockchain. So we're going to talk about that today. We're going to talk about how Coq continues to be innovative, and they are pretty much adding a lot of utility to the coin and much more. But before we get into it, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, man, turn on those notifications right now to receive all future updates on COQ Coq Inu, because like I said, we are about to go crazy. Don't let this point in the market shake you out. Now, let's get straight into it. Let's look at pricing, where we at today, baby. So, man, we can see right now, I am looking at COQ Coq Inu, and it's still the #1 project on the AVAX blockchain. Now, market cap is at $114 million, guys. So, right now, we're getting the opportunity to really get almost 100% gains from those December highs. So the high of December, we was at 208 million market cap. Now we at 114 or 115, but that gives us another buying opportunity. And then we can see it's currently more buys than sales. Now it is more sale volume. People are slightly taking profits, but it's more buyers than sellers, and that's what I'm saying, guys. Don't get shook out the markets at these times. It is, these program moves that, try to shake the common person, the, paper hands out of the market. You want to be diamond hands in these predicaments. Or, if you don't have enough money to buy more, just hodl what you have, because you don't want to sell at a loss at these times. Although it is about to be tax season, some people are, taking their losses to put on their taxes. But me personally, I'm trying to double up and buy more on COQ at these prices, because we almost under or right at where the 100 million mark starts. And I do believe a 10x from here is very much so possible. I can see a 1.1 or a 1.14 billion dollar market cap for COQ. And we can see right here, man, the holders, we still got 86K holders. So that's a lot of holders. That's just on the AVAX blockchain. Now, if we go to some of the centralized exchanges that COQ is listed on, there's no telling how many people are holding on those. So we love to see that, man. We almost at 100,000 holders, and I do believe that will happen by the end of Q1 2025. And I think that's when we will see a major peak in the market, going up like crazy in March, April of 2025. So right now, we just getting those better buying opportunities and wait for it to take off. And like I said, guys, if we look back in time, when we look back in time around the same time last year, look what COQ did. We see COQ took off. It took off, boom, December 18th. We see it ran up to almost $300 million market cap on the 19th. It dropped back down to, the 50 millions around those areas. It kept dropping in February. Then we saw, late February, early March, it went from 96 million market cap all the way up into $423 million market cap. And that's why I'm telling everybody, this explosion will happen fast. It's not going to be slow. The prices drop down slow. It feels like we're, in a bear market forever, but those bull market prices react so fast because we can just see it went from 96 90 or $90 million market cap, and the later days of February 20th or February 19th. And just within, less than a month, it went all the way up to a $400 million market cap. Because if we zoom in, we see February 19th, that was when it was at 90. March 12th, it went to 423 million. So that move will happen fast. That's why I say pack your bags, because you don't want to miss that jet when it finally takes off. Now, life is better with some Coq Inu. So COQ launched on the Trader Joe LFG exchange just over a year ago, and Avalanche has not been the same. So over 1.1 billion volume, over 1 million transactions, and over 110,000 unique active wallets. So this is big, man. We can see COQ is doing some big things, and now you are available to buy COQ on Slingshot. Slingshot is pretty much a fiat on ramp for cryptos, making COQ accessible to everybody. And last but not least, man, COQ has so much utility. We know that a lot of projects are building around COQ and implementing COQ into their ecosystem. And we can see right now you can earn 4.7 APY on your COQ just by supplying it on BenQ. No need to borrow against it. Current supply dynamics is 9.4 trillion COQ, so $20 million is staked to earning. 1.1 COQ is still available to supply, so no better way to unlock the value of COQ. Now, like I said, man, a lot of beautiful things going on for COQ. We are experiencing a downtrend in the markets today. But this is, I believe, a shakeout for everybody who's been holding for this long. We see that I showed you the chart showing how COQ was around the same prices it was last year around this time. Maybe last year was a little bit lower, but still around the same vicinity. And we saw how fast it went up in March. And I do believe March and April will be a good year or good months for the crypto space, and the takeoff is going to happen fast. So you want to get your bags packed as much as possible before that time comes, so when it does come, you will be able to sit back, relax, and enjoy that takeoff. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and don't forget, man, if I added value to you today, make sure you leave a super thanks to support the channel so we can continue to grow and spread this information. So Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.